Nano Banana AI Review. Is Google's AI image editor worth it? Nano Banana is an image editing tool integrated into Google Gemini, known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. It lets users make complex edits to photos, change outfits, adjust backgrounds, blend styles, preserve character identity, and more without regenerating the whole image. It has gone viral. People love the creativity it allows. Here's what Nano Banana seems to do well: character consistency. If you upload a person or pet, the tool tries to keep them recognizable even after changes. Simple edits quickly. Want to change clothes, background, or style? It handles that fairly cleanly when the prompt is clear. User-friendly experience. Works inside Gemini, so no separate app to learn. Prompting language is natural and the UI is clean. But it's not perfect. Users are reporting issues such as prompt ignoring. Sometimes prompts about style, background, or image composition do not show up in results. The output looks very similar to the original. Artifacts and quality drops. Edits involving people sometimes mess up details, face edges, lighting, proportion, especially in more complex scenes. Frustration with control and fidelity. Some users say constraints of framing and aspect ratio or subject position result in weird outcomes. More detailed instructions help, but even then, expectations often exceed current capabilities. So is Nano Banana worth it? If you want a fun, creative, fast way to tweak your photos, change backgrounds, style, experiment with looks, Nano Banana is very good, especially for most casual and social use. But if you require precise editing, flawless results, or professional grade retouching, you will occasionally hit limitations. Also be mindful of using only official sources like Gemini, avoiding fake third-party imitations, and checking privacy. If you're into creativity, it's definitely worth trying, just with tempered expectations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.